Hi everybody, welcome to week 5 of Chemistry and Society at Rock Valley College. Can you believe it? We have just a couple weeks left. Check this out. Week 5 is this week. 6, 7, which hasn't opened yet, but I will open it soon. And then 8 just has a couple of things. So we are rounding the corner heading for home. All right, a couple of things to start with before we dive into what you have happening this week. Several of you are starting to fall behind and miss some assignments. Remember, I do accept late labs and late movies, but the movies, 1 point per day late, and they're only worth 5 points to begin with. And the labs are 2 points per day. They're worth 15 points. So every day you put it off, more points will be lost. The exams and the chapter Learn Smarts that you do are not accepted late. So just keep that in mind. Again, some of you are starting to fall behind. All right, so week 5, what do we have going on? 2 chapters, 7 and 8. So you've got the intro videos and the 2 PowerPoints for those that like to have those, especially when they take the test. Then our movie is called Poisoned Waters, and then this other one also relates to water called Blue Gold. So I hope you enjoy both of these. Poisoned Waters talks about, well, exactly what the name implies, polluted waterways. And then Blue Gold focuses on our lack of potable water on the planet. So they both are related to water, but focus on some different things. 2 labs this week, water quality, which obviously fits in nicely, and then the pH of common materials. Water quality is going to take you some time, so if this is Monday, hopefully you're watching this video, jump in. I'll let you guys take a look at the time that it's going to take, but I will tell you this takes a little bit of extra time, so plan ahead for these 2 labs. And then what I'm going to leave you with is your first offer of extra credit, and that is send me an email with 2 things in it. 1, what is your current grade? And 2, how many 0 scores do you have for labs in the grade book? And why am I focused on that? Well, remember, I have a missing lab policy, and that is if you have 3 zeros in the grade book. Now that includes the fact that I drop 1. So just look at the grade book and count how many zeros you have for labs. We've only done 7 labs. So hopefully you don't have 3 yet, but once you hit 3 0 scores, your final letter grade starts to be affected. And the more you miss beyond 3, keep in mind, the more it's affected. So if you send me an email and tell me you have 3 missed at this point, if they were labs from last week, you can still do them for partial credit and remove those 0 scores. So 1 email worth 5 extra credit points. What's your current grade and how many 0 scores do you have for labs? And with that, I'll leave you. Have a great week. Talk to you in week 6. Bye.